Welcome to my channel, Neil in Maths. So, today, as you can see, the concept is divisibility rules of prime numbers. Yes. So, you might have heard of it that prime numbers, I know, divisibility rule of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. I know. Okay. Some of you might have known of rule of 13 also, but what about 17, what about 19, what about 23, 29, 31, 37? Okay, so today I am going to tell you the divisibility rules of all the prime numbers. You say the prime number, I'll tell the divisibility rule. Okay, so let's start without wasting time. I told you I'll tell you one single rule that will fit for all. Yes, you heard it correct. So what's that single rule that is going to be fit for all? Please take a note of it. That that single one that you are thinking of. Yes, that is nothing but suppose all the prime numbers. Okay, if you'll thoroughly search it, you will get it something different. But I am representing it in a different way. Okay, suppose I'll say 13, 17, 19, 23, all the prime numbers in their table. In their table, you'll always get you will always get either 1 or 9 at its ones place. At its ones place. You have not understood? Let me just clarify it. 13 into 7, how much? 91. You are getting 1 at its ones place. 17 into 3, how much you are getting? 21. 1 at its ones place. 19. 19 into 9, how much? 19 nines are how much? Don't know. 171. 1 at its ones place. Like this 23 also. 23 7 ja. 23 7 jar. How much? It is 161. 1 at its ones place. And also you'll also get 9 because 13 threes are 9. Yes. Like this 17. In 17 where you are going to get 9. 17. Tell 7 7 are 49, isn't it? So 17 7 ja, that is 119. Okay, like this 19 1 ja, 19. Now, what to do with it? I got 1 and 9 at its ones place. What to do with it? Yes, the most important thing that we have to remember here that these things, these things that you can see over here, things. So the rule is 1 and 9. Remember, 1 and 9. Whenever you will get 1, whenever you are going to get 1 and whenever you're going to get 9. And one more thing, divisibility rule of all the prime numbers. How many rule are there? You know, there are two rules are there for each prime number. Yes, you heard it correct. So 1 and 9. So what to do with 1 and 9? Let's see. Suppose I'll say for 13. In 13 where you're getting 9, 13 threes are is 39. Okay. Now hide the 9. Hide the 9. 3 plus 1. Add what is left, add 1 to it. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. That 4 is the key number. That 4 is the key number. You have to first learn about how to find the key number. Then I'll tell what to do with the key number. Got it? In 1 also. Here 13 into 7. you will get 91. Okay, now hide 1. Here you don't have to add 1. Here 9 is the key number. Here 9 is the key number. Yes, you heard it correct. 9 is the key number. Now, what to do with the key number? I told you 1 and 9. Now remember, for 1, you have to subtract. You have to subtract. And for 9, you have to add. Okay. Key number, all of you have understood what to do. Get the 9, hide the 9. What is left? Add 1. That will be the key number. Here, get 1, hide it. 9 is the key number. And here we have to subtract. Here we have to add. In case of it is 9, we have to add. In case of it is subtract, in case it is 1, we have to subtract. So let's see where to subtract, where to add, and where to take 1, where to take 9. Okay, so shall we start? The video has not been started till yet. Yes, here is the main part is going to start. If you leave the video in between, you are not going to learn it properly. When am I writing right now? Do write with me. Yes, that is the biggest thing that you have to do. Whenever I'm writing, I'm taking the note, same note you are going to take note on your copy. Whatever you listen, you can remember only 20% of it. So, the most important thing is to always note it down and teach. You have learned it, then teach it to someone. Okay, you'll never forget it. Yes. So, what am I going to do? Yes. So, next, I'll tell the rule for 13. Rule for 13 would be, so I told you that rule uh, 13, I got two key numbers, isn't it? 13 7 is 91, 9 is the key number. I am writing KN key number, and here I have to subtract, and I got one more key number, that is 4, and that is to be added. Okay, now let's see what to do with these two key numbers and where to subtract, where to add. Let's take a number. Suppose I'll say 156. Okay, these two key numbers will work, but what to take? Okay, just watch the whole video, you will learn it. 156. Let's try with 4. Key number is the number which is to be multiplied at the ones place and the product to be added to the remaining number. Okay, so 4 to be multiplied with 6. So 156 here, 6 into 4, how much? 24. So that 24, 6 into 4, you got 24 over here. That 24 to be added with 15. 15 plus 24, how much? 39. Now tell me, 39 is divisible by 13 or not? If 39 is divisible by 13, then 156 is divisible by 13. I know you have not understood it. Then watch it again, you will understand. 156. Now let's try with 9. Here I have a hidden 1. Okay, and here I have to subtract. Whenever 1 is the key, 1 I am hiding it, then I have to subtract. Whenever I am hiding 9, I have to add it. Okay, now 156, what you are going to do? Multiply 9 at its ones place. 6 into 9, 6 9 is how much? 54. Okay, now I have to subtract. So 15 is smaller than 54, so subtract it. Sorry, so 54 minus 15, how much it is? 39. Now tell me, 39 is divisible by 13 or not? If 39 is divisible by 13, then 156 is also divisible by 13. Now which one is better? The better is to multiply 4 because 4 is the smaller number and I'll get a smaller number to add. That's why 4 is the key number to be best to be multiplied. Okay, but you can multiply 9 and also subtract. Okay, if you are good at multiplying 9 with numbers, I think you are getting my point that every prime number has two divisibility rules irrespective of what the prime number is. Okay, yes, you heard it correct. Except for 2, I can say I'm talking from 13 onwards. But for 3, you can also try. But for 7, you can try. For 9, you can try. The same number you're going to get it. Now, this rule also applies with 7. You can give it a try. For 7 also there are two divisibility rules. I'll take one more example. Then you'll try go for to the next. Okay. So suppose I'll tell, okay, how much, what shall I take? Okay, small number I'm taking. Suppose it is 143. Okay, now tell me 143. What I told you, 4 is the key number, it is to be added. 9 is the key number, it is to be multiplied and to be subtracted. Now let's multiply 4. To be multiplied at its units place, 4 3s are 12, and to be added with the remaining numbers. 14 plus 12 is 26. Now tell me 26 is divisible by 13 or not? 13 2s are 26. So that's why 143 is divisible by 13. I hope you got my point, isn't it? So 143. Now let's check with 143 with 9. Okay, now 9 is the key number. So 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. Now 27 minus 14. 27 minus 14 is how much? 13. 13 is divisible by 13 itself. So that's why 143 is divisible by 13. Now understood that where to subtract, where to add, the both divisibility rules are there. Rule for 13 I told. Now let's go for rule for 17. The same rule in 17. What shall I multiply first? 3. 17 3 is 51. I'll get 1. I'll hide 1. Then which one is the key number? 5 is the key number. 5 is the key number. As 1 is the I am hiding, so I have to subtract it. For 1, I have to subtract. Now, where I'll get 9, 17, 7 ja, is 119. Whenever I'll add 9, I'll add 1 to it. That I have to remember. Sorry for the handwriting. So, 11 plus 1, 12. Now, 12 is the key number over here. 12 is the key number and that is to be added. Yes, you heard it correct. 12 is to be added. Now, let's take some number, then you'll understand. Let's take a 4-digit number 2401. Okay, so 12 I will multiply. It is a very big number. So I'll multiply 5 and subtract it. Okay, 5 1 ja 5. I'll multiply 5 into 1, then subtract it. 240 minus 5. How much? 235. Again you multiply 5 with 5. 5 5s are 5 5s are how much? You heard it correct. What shall I do? I'll here 5 is the key number and I'll have to multiply it and subtract it. Okay. Now 5 5s are how much? 25. Now 23 minus 25 is minus 2. It is not divisible. Yes. I am also checking if number which is not divisible. 2 is not divisible. Minus 2 is not divisible by 17. Now let's take some more means which is divisible. A easy number will take. Okay. Suppose what do you think? 17 cube. Let's take. What is 17 cube if you have remembered? Do you know what is 17 cube? That is 4913. Okay, now let's verify. 4913, I'll multiply 3 with 5. 3 5s are 15. Now this 15 to be subtracted from 491. Okay, so 491 minus 15. How much? 11 minus 5, 6. 48 minus 1, 47. Now I don't know 476 is divisible by 17 or not. So let's multiply again. 6 fives are 30. 6 into 5, 30 I multiplied. Now 47 minus 30 is how much? 17. So 17 is divisible by 17. You got my point? That here for 17, 5 is the key number to be subtracted. I'll not take 12 as the key number and I'll multiply and I'll add. You will verify it by multiplying 12 and you will add it. It will also work. You can verify it on your own. You're getting my point, guys? Yes. So that's why that is the rule for 17. Now for 19. 19, there are also two key numbers. 19, 1 ja, 19. And here, if you'll hide 9, you will add 1. If you'll hide 9, you have to add 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Here 2 is the key number. And whenever 9 is the, I'm hiding it, I have to add. That's a simple rule you have to remember. Now 19, where I'm going to get 1. 19 9 ja, is 171. So hide 1, then the 17 will be the key number. So this 17 I am not going to take as the key number. This is the key number, but I am not going to take it, because who is going to multiply 17 with a number, then subtract it? 17 I'll multiply, then I'll subtract it. It is going to be a very big number and it is going to create a problem for me. So that's why now let's verify. It's simple one. Suppose I'll tell how much? Suppose I'll tell 238. Okay, whether it is divisible by 19 or not. So 2 is the key number. It is easy to multiply and add it. Okay. So what shall I do? What shall I do? Oh, okay. Okay, let's do 28. So 8, 8. I'll multiply 2. 8 to the 16. Add 22 with 16. 22 with 16. It would be 38. Now 22 plus 16, 38. 38 is divisible by 19. That's why 228 is divisible by 19. Okay. Hope all of you got it. So like this for 23, I'll just tell the key number. You'll verify with numbers for 23. And this PDF will be available to you in my WhatsApp channel, also in the Telegram channel. Do join it. Okay. And you will get different links, different unique concepts, also different math facts. You will get it through my WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Do join it and don't forget to subscribe, like, whatever you want to do with this video, you just do it. I'm not going to, if you want to delete it, if you want to download it, share it. Okay, if you like it, then just share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for 23. Now 23 into 3. Oh, 23 into 3, 69. Okay, 69. Yeah, it's a funny number, but 69. If you'll hide 9 over here, we'll hide 9 over here. 6 plus 1 is 7 is the key number for 23. And you have to add it. And you have to add it. Now, for 23, if I'll multiply what? I'll get 1. 23 into 7. 23 into 7 is how much? 161. If I'll hide 1, then 16 is my key number. So which one is easy to multiply? 7 or 16? You tell me. It's 7. So that's why for 23, the key number is 7 and I have to add it. Multiply with the ones place and add it. Like this for 29. For 29, as you can see, 9 is already there. So what you are going to do, 29, hide 9 and add 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 is the key number for 29. So a prime number which ends with 9, like 19, 29, you tell. 39 is not, 49 is not, 59. 69 is not a prime number. 79, 89. These prime numbers, the key numbers are 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, isn't it? Because just add 1 at its tens place. Okay. Now these are the key numbers because already I have the 9 and I have these are the key numbers. I have to multiply it and I have to add it to the remaining numbers. I think you got the point what to do. Okay. So this PDF, if you want it, then join the WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel. I'll be sharing this PDF. And yes, don't forget what? What will forget? Yeah, I forgot what to do. Okay, leave it. Okay, I hope now you know all the divisibility rules of prime numbers. What more you want to know? Do comment in this video and tell me what more you want to know about it. That's all. Thank you. Tata. Goodbye. See you in my next video.